Okay, so let's try to set up the basic app. What we are going to do is we are going to create a simple NestJS application for this whole demo. So I hope you already know how to just bootstrap a CLI. We have a Nest CLI. With the help of that, we can create a basic application. So we are using simple Nest CLI, and with the Nest CLI, we can create a simple basic application. So I already have created that basic setup. Let's take a look. So this is our repository, right? I created this NestJS app setup. In source, I have a code domain shared. I'm going to have a two different module, user module and auth module, because we are going to add authentication. We are going to use a different auth strategies. And this is the user module to create like, okay, user registration. And then once user logs in, user should be able to access his own information. Shared module. This is our main module. I will try to add all the required things like we will need a database, type ORM, entities, tiny little Docker setup we already have, I think. Yes, Docker utils. What I will do is I will copy the Docker compose file. We already have Docker compose file. So that will, when I do the Docker compose, what will happen is it creates the container for me. I need to make sure the Docker is up and running. Let's spin up the Docker through the Docker desktop. I can just do Docker compose up. Docker is still coming up, so it will give me an error. Let's wait for some time. And once the Docker container is up and running, I will have a database up and running for me. This is the database and Redis. I mean, Redis I don't need, but this is like a Docker compose file. And this is my basic setup, right? This is my simple controller, module, root module. This is my service, main.ts main module. I don't need to explain because in the last video, we have already covered all those things. And here my package JSON where I have all the dependencies needed. I think we already have a Postgres added already there. Otherwise, I will add it. I need some passport module for the login strategy. And these are the basic setup. NestJS setup for cookies based auth. These are the two projects we have. Okay, let's start working on this one.